YouTube, and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you guys how I do my pedicures at home. So I'm just gonna take you through my process. In no way is this a tutorial. I'm just recording my process for you guys. If that's something that you would like to see, then obviously just leave a comment down below and let me know, and I can do that for you. So basically what I'm doing right now is just removing my previous design using my handheld drill. All of my nail designs are always gel, and so I'm just taking my time and taking all of that off. Both feet, obviously, both of my big toes have a gel overlay and a nail tip extension on them, so I will be doing that in this video as well. So here you see my feet just completely empty, naked. And so the next thing that I do is just clip my toenails back. Like I said, that one there is a nail tip, so I'm just clipping that back, trimming that back a little bit, and filing it to the shape of my liking. I like square toes coffin nails. That's what I like. And so I'm just doing that, filing them away, getting any excess polish that's left behind, and just taking my time to do what needs to be done, trimming those nails back as well. At this particular time, I hadn't had a pedicure in over a month, so almost like a month and a half. So my toes definitely needed some work, and that is why I am doing the pampering that I am doing for myself in this video and a couple videos to come. So I just repeat the same thing on the next foot, clipping my toenails back and filing and shaping and getting them prepared for the rest of this pedicure. So I decided that I'm gonna do a self-care series on this channel. So we'll start with the pedicure. I'll be doing my manicure next. It's time for a fill on my nails, so my manicure will match my pedicure, and then I will do my face care routine as I prepare for my trip back home. So now I'm just filing away my toenails, getting them ready. Taking away the rest of that debris and stuff as well. Cleaning up under my toenails before I put them in the water. This is the foot spa that I use. If it's still available, I will post the link down below. I bought it probably about 6 months ago on eBay, so if I can find it, I will link it in the description bar below. But I'm just filling it up with some cold water. I always do cold water when I fill it up because this one has a temperature control, so it makes no sense for me to fill it up with hot water because it's only going to get hotter. So here you see me just turning it on, adjusting my temperature. And what I put into my foot soaks is about maybe a tablespoon of Epsom salt. I definitely don't use a lot. You don't need a lot for your foot soak because it's already confined into one small space, so you definitely don't need a lot, and too much Epsom salt will actually damage your jets. For my bubbles, I use this rose petal bubble bath. I do not know where I got this from. It was a gift from my husband, so I don't know where, but I really like how it makes my skin feel, so I decided to use it as a part of my pedicure. So once all of that is dissolved, I just put my feet into my foot bath. Here the water was a little too warm. And so I'm readjusting my temperature. And then I just literally just roll my feet back and forth across the massagers that's on the inside. And, you know, feel free to relax, read a book, write a book, watch some TV. And I soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. And so here I'm just putting on some Cuticle Softener and scraping away all that dead skin. Of course, repeating the same thing on the other foot. And I will list every product that I use in the description box below, as long as I can find it online. Like I said, the bubble bath, I know that I won't be able to because it was a gift. So If I can find something similar, I'll post it down below. And here is the foot scrub that I use. I like this one because it's not as abrasive. I really have sensitive feet, so I try not to use anything that's too abrasive. But this is my process. Don't worry if you missed it. You'll see it again. I have 2 feet. Nothing major. And now I just dry them off and I am ready for the next step. I take my time to use my nail file to get rid of the rest of or any dry skin or any cuticle that's left over so I can prepare for my gel overlay. I don't use a primer because I like to use a acid primer for my nails, and I just can't see myself using an acid primer for my feet. I just don't think that's going to work out too well. So my prep work for my gel overlays on my toes takes me a little longer just to make sure that I don't have any lifting for the duration of my pedicure until it's time for my next one. So these are the items that I use. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description bar below. More buffing, and then I go ahead and dehydrate my nails as well. This really helps prevent lifting, and like I said, it's been about a month and a half since my last pedicure, and I had no issues with polish chipping or anything like that. So I'm curing my base coat for 2 minutes, and now I'm doing a fill on my big toe that is a nail tip. And I'll cure both of those for 2 minutes as well. And there is the finished product. If you would like to see a tutorial on how I did this nail art, let me know in the comment section below. But that is about it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys have a blessed day.